Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke here in Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash up and budget, paying off of our debt and minding our business. So baby, if that's something you're interested in, go ahead, subscribe, and you know, get into the videos. But no shade, no tea. Let's get into this money, okay? Let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so per usual I've zoomed y'all in so y'all can see what is going on, and baby, you know, all up in my business, because you know, love to have you here. Welcome any time of the day, you feel me? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Welcome back. But as you guys know, this is the expense closeout, baby, and we not staying here for too long because baby, we got the red marker, which means we got no spend days to account for. Okay, getting to her. We also got some bills. I got one bill this week, you know, all right. We got one bill this week, so you know, we like to stay on top of that because we do not like what nobody coming for our check outside of when we trying to give it, you feel me? So anyways, let's start. I don't have much time. I really have. This ain't gonna be a long video, so let me just give y'all all the things. So the week started off on the 8th. Over here it says treat yourself, and I sure did, but not on that day because we had a no spend, baby. Come on, it's a no spend day, you feel me? So we're doing absolutely fantastic there already. We had a no spend. Let me wipe out. Ooh, because yeah, so there we go. So we had a no spend day on the 8th. What day did I buy this water? I think I bought this water on the, dang it, can't remember when I bought the water, but never mind, that's fine. We had a no spend day on the 8th, and I also had a no spend day on the 9th because hello, the gold is what, 15, and so we had 1 2 3 4 5. Ooh, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We had 6 already. But on the 10th I decided I want to be responsible and stuff, you feel me? So I had to pay a couple things. Now child, these could have been not happening, but you know, life be life in, and so we have bills and things we have to be responsible for. So I had to pay a couple things on the 10th, and that was 2 things I had to pay there. This sweater is all over the situation, but I'm gonna try to get everything on there. Thank God it's only 2, because otherwise, you feel me, would have been fresh out of luck. All right, so we had 2 items that we had to pay for on that day. Okay, the first one, oh, we writing in pink pen, sorry. So the first one was our this was for $50, so 50, and this was for lawn maintenance. Okay, my grass got cut, so I have to pay for the dude to come out there and cut it. The first time it was 65, this time it was 50, so I'm assuming like the normal is going to be 50 now because it's just maintenance. But I shouldn't really need my lawn being cut during the winter because ain't no grass growing, child. The way how they dry and brittle because outside is cold, shouldn't be that much grass growing or anything. So I'm expecting that this should be my last like lawn maintenance for the year, if not my second to last. So I might have one more cut after this, but that's it because it's going into the cold months. So that was that. And then I forgot to turn off the subscription, so I paid $22 unnecessarily. Yes, I did. I paid $22 unnecessarily for 11 Labs, which is a voiceover thing. I wanted to try it last month, and I was supposed to turn on the subscription, but I didn't, and that's what happens when you don't turn off the subscriptions. But as soon as I saw that charge happen, child, I made sure I canceled. So I have one more month of this, and then that is it, y'all. That is it. So that's cool, that's cute. Okay, so that's it for the 10th. All right, so we're gonna close up our thing right here. We're gonna go back into the no spend. So next on the 11th we had a no spend day as well. Oh my gosh. And y'all, this is a phenomenon because this is also Shark Week. Hey, this is also Shark Week. So the fact that I already have 1 2 3 no spend days in this week and it's Shark Week, yeah, Doesn't mean I've been eating well because I eat at the defect. No, but I did not spend barely any money this week except for things that I had to spend on, which is my lawn maintenance. I had to spend on that, and then 11 labs, which that was boo-boo the fool right here. Now on the 12th, I also had a no spend day, but also on the 12th I had to pay a bill. So obviously I'm gonna put my bill on here, but it's also gonna be a no spend days, because as my girl Journey to Wisdom and Health be saying, if you paying a bill because you're responsible for your bills and you paying them on time, you is paying a bill, and so you should not count it as suspended because it's not coming out of your cash envelopes or none of that. You just being responsible for your thing. So yeah, I had a bill on this day and on the 12th, and that was basically my credit card, and I put $285.23. 285.23. So $285.23. I know, I feel like I should have zoomed y'all in a little bit more, but we're gonna stop right there because I want y'all to see everything. So that's what happened on the 12th. And then just to clock up, you know, everything else that happened, we come right here, and we had 2 no spend days on the 13th, and we had a no spend day on the 14th. So you feel me? September is, you know, shaping up to be a really good a really good month for me, and so yeah, I'm so excited. So anyways, y'all, like I said, don't want to keep y'all here for a long period of time because we've been doing great stuff, as you guys can see, by not spending our money and staying in budget. And yeah, so let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Ooh, this isn't like normal, but I just want to say, so for this week, I'm supposed to be working out, y'all, but it was Shark Week, so I worked out on Tuesday and Thursday, but I did not work out the rest of the weeks in here. I have a minimum of 5 days that I want to work out during the week. It's usually like Monday to Friday, or something like, or Sunday to Thursday. Actually, that would be my preference, but you know, if it don't happen, that's fine. But anyways, y'all, yeah, so this is the no spend 1 2 3 4 5 no spend days. Oh, this is a no spend too. Hold up, my bad, this is a no spend too. I almost forgot. This is a no spend. A no spend day. We paid a bill. You feel me? So yeah, so out of the, you know, out of the 7 days, I had 1 2 3 4 5 6 days of no spend. I paid a bill on that day, so it is what it is. But lawn maintenance and 11 labs, y'all. Boom. And look at me. Hey, what if this week I spend nothing? Ooh, that'll be fire. But anyways, y'all, don't want to keep y'all here too long, but that is it. That is what we did for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave your comments down below. Like this video, subscribe, and join the family because we'd love to have you here. And my name is Aneke, and I will see y'all in the next one. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.